Hi, my name's Matt. I'm the project for today's job, and we're going to be fitting this laser light behind the grille of this Yaris GR. As you can see, we've got the bumper off now. We've cut the bolts to length, and now we're mounting the brackets on for the light. So that's the light all mounted now, wiring's all in. Let's get that bumper back on and let's get it tested. Bumper's all back on now, guys, and as you can see, it's working. The customer wanted it on their high beam, so that's how it's connected. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you soon.